What is going on, everyone? For today's project, I decided to put a wireless charging on my CRX. Now I have a wireless charger that's laying around in my room that I never used. So what I did, I took it apart, and this is actually what's inside of it. So to make this story short, my CRX has this flat surface on the console. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach it just like this, and I'm gonna use a heat glue or heat gun to hold it. So it's very easy. Just tap a positive and a negative and hook it up, wire it up, and insulate it. That way you don't get any ground. So hopefully it works. So let's find out. I've never done this before, and hopefully it works where I could just drop my phone on the console. So at first, I cut the USB cord that looks like this. I cut it, and there is two leads in there. I guess that's the positive and the negative. So I cut the end of it, and then I'm gonna wire this thing up to it's hard to focus, to the positive and the negative chassis of the car, and we will we will attach the USB over here, the wireless charger. It's very simple, and hopefully it works. So you could probably use different kind of adhesive, but I'm using the glue gun, and I'm just gluing things up here so it doesn't fall out. Oh crap, I didn't mean to glue where the USB is at. More over here. Oopsie. My glue is very runny, so try not to glue the inside of where the charger is at, the coil that is. See, it's smoking. There you go. Should do it. Let's put everything back and button everything back, and let's find out when if everything works correctly, and still have to wire up the USB. And here you go, guys. I just hooked it up to the white and the black for the positive and negative on the cigarette lighter. I don't like splicing on my harness if I can avoid it, so I just basically connected it to the back end of the pigtail, and it's that easy. And here it is. It turns on. So it was take two because the other one was bad. I actually cracked the magnet, so I put another one in, and so that's how it looks like. It's just underneath it. So when you put it over here, it actually charges the phone, and I think it's a pretty cool idea. So I don't have to look for my charger when I'm driving. I could actually just drop the phone on my console. So this is my old car kind of getting updated on the wireless charging. So let's button everything up. I'm gonna have to cover that with electrical tape so it doesn't flap around. I did use a glue gun, that way it doesn't move around. And let's button everything up. I wish I can show you, but once again, I'm always working alone on my car, and no one is really helping me. So I'm gonna have to put everything back and just reverse order. I'm sure there's a ton of video on how to take off and remove your Honda console, especially the CRX or your EF. And I have some frozen guavas. Vitamin C, good for your blood pressure. All right, everyone, so everything is tucked in, everything is bolt on and screwed on, and here it is. So I'm gonna charge it and just throw it in there. Boom. That's how simple it is. And the good part is that it doesn't move. It's actually a perfect fit for iPhone XR and our CRX or EF or EF8. So everyone, thank you for watching. That's that. It was a simple mod, only takes a few minutes of your time. Until next time, God bless everyone. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and thumbs up. Don't forget. Bye.